Hello everybody, today is Monday, October 9th. It's 4:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The regular session for the futures markets just closed about 5 minutes ago. On my left is the time and sales for the EMINI S&P. We can see is trading at 25.44. First up is the DAX on the Super 7 tick. And this hit its goal of 1500. As you can see, it did 1487.50 for the day, so it had one tick of slippage. I'm going to tighten up the equity graph. So there was some activity on this chart today. We can see that it really didn't draw down from the open equity. It had a few ups and downs, but generally up into its profit goal. So quite a few trades, but looking closely, we can see the losers are smaller than the winners. So this actually did pretty well, pretty happy with this. Okay, we have another chart of the DAX on the Precision Renko, and this was very active today. Quite a few trades, starting trading at 3 in the morning. So this was a very active chart, but on this one, our configuration is somewhat short profit goals. So 10 ticks on our first target, and then the second one being a runner. So quite active on this chart. Our daily goal is 1300, and that was hit ultimately. It took quite a few trades to get there, but nevertheless, it hit its daily goal. So something to be said for this. I haven't run this chart much. This might be the first time I've run it on a smaller time frame. So looking to trade the DAX on smaller time frames seems to work pretty well. Okay, the EMINI S&P on a Super 6 tick chart has been a very consistent performer overall. Here we had a single short trade, and this is trading 3 contracts. This was good for $600. Crude oil on a Precision Renko chart, we can see the equity curve here had a small drawdown below the open equity, and then kind of sideways, and then up to 640 thanks to this strong winning trade into the end of the session here. The DAX on the Super Renko 14 tick started out with a couple of losers, which caused us to draw down about $800, but then we recovered from that to make it to the positive side of the ledger, closing at 325. The EMINI S&P on a Super Renko 2 tick has been very consistent, 387.50. This size chart is showing gains of $300 to $400 consistently, trading only 2 contracts. So pretty impressed with this small time frame. The NASDAQ on this Super Renko 10 tick has been showing positive. This had a modest gain of 300 for the day. EMINI S&P with a higher time frame filter, also showing a lot of consistency, doing 200 for the day on 2 contracts. Next we have the crude oil on a 377 tick line break. This started off strong, and it was kind of up, down, up, sideways fade, closing at 430 for the day, still respectable. This chart has also showed a good deal of consistency. A lot of trades in the mid cap today, but still ending up positive with 290 for the day. That's all for today's video. If you would like to find out more, please visit us at bluewavetrading.com or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.